everyone, it's Tammy and happy Friday. Hopefully I'll get this posted soon, but I am on my way home from dropping my son off at the mall. He and his girlfriend, we went to lunch today, and then he came back to the house with me, and then we did a little grocery shopping, and I'm working on his laundry. He was cleaning his room. He was working on some other things, some just errandy things that he has to get done, and his girlfriend works at the mall, so I just dropped him back off at the mall so that he can ride. So I don't know what just happened, but the thing like went off and then came back on, so weird. But he sent me a picture of his cat, and one of their friends had given them a little bow tie for the cat. I will try to remember to insert a picture at the end. Oh my goodness, this cat is so cute. Can hardly stand it. It's Friday night at 6 o'clock and I'm already yawning. That's how I party. I need to knit tonight, and I need to do a knitting vlog. I have been saying that for 2 weeks now, and I haven't done it. Sorry, I really wasn't yawning before I started this thing, of course. It seems like when I start this in the car, I yawn like crazy, and when I start it at home, Fuzzy comes over and messes with me. So Monday I took off because I am going to use that day to make some freezer meals for my kids, and I'm going to video that for a Foodie Friday, so that's a good thing, I think. And then Tuesday I go back to the office, so I will not be working from home. I'll have my office space, which is kind of good. I think I don't know if I'm ever ready. It's fun to work out. It's fun to work from home, but it's also fun to work from the office and see all the people, and yeah, I'm kind of looking forward to it. So that's a good thing. And tomorrow, I think Lisa and I are going to go to Hobby Lobby or Michael's or something, and then we were going to get some coffee maybe, and maybe hang out at her house. I'm not exactly sure, but whatever she decides is good with me. I have a couple things at Hobby Lobby that I'd like to pick up. I know that the Paper Studio stuff is 50% off again, and I just cannot pass up that little girl when she's 50% off. I just love her. So I think I might, I am so sorry. I think I might go there. I'm not sure. Gosh, they've added so much stuff around this part of Fishers. It's crazy. $1 coffee at Hardee's. I don't know if I've ever had Hardee's coffee. I still don't have creamer. I didn't pick up any creamer. I should probably get some. But I just wore my slippers to drop off Alex, so I'm not gonna get out. So I guess I'm not getting creamer. That'll have to wait until tomorrow. I should have had Alex, like I should have thought about that and had Alex run in somewhere, but I didn't even think about it until just now when I saw the $1 coffee. So crazy. Well, I just wanted to check in and see how you guys were doing and let you know how I'm doing. I'd love to hear how you guys are doing, and if there's anything going on in your life, you can comment below, or that's probably a little too invasive, so you don't have to, but it's nice. I like talking or communicating with you guys. It's fun. So I am going to do, because I have been obsessed with these silly MD cards, I am going to do kind of a swap, and I'm posting a video on that separately, and you can look at the MD swap. I think I'll call it a swap, MD swap video that I'll post. Hopefully I'll post it before the end of the weekend is up, but I may even post it before this video. But anyway, what you if any of you guys are interested, the way that I'm going to do it is you make an MD card and send it to me, and that will be your entry into winning, and what I will do is swap. I will send out 5 MD cards per winner. So depending on how many people I have and how many MD cards I have is how many winners there will be. So let's say I have 15 people enter and I have 15 MD cards, 3 people will win 5 MD cards each. Does that make sense? So yeah, check out that video, and the instructions or whatever are there. And I think that'll be fun, and it'll be neat to get MD cards from you guys. Where is my street? It seems like oh, it must be up here. Okay. They're doing so much construction, it's hard to tell where things are. But I'd love to get an MD card from you. If you make them, I would love to get one. So I guess that's about all I have for today. But I just wanted to let you guys know that everything is going well, and Alex and Chloe and I are hopefully going to be going to visit Katie sometime in the near future weeks, and take Chloe up to Taylor where Katie is, and maybe do sushi lunch or something like that. So yeah, that's what I know. And so I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend, and I will talk with you guys again soon. Bye-bye.